Multi-tools are the perfect do-it-all item to have on hand for a variety of projects. There are many products available to choose multi-tools, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best multi-tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rover Multitool. This multi-tool from Rover has a hammer and a hatchet as its head, allowing you to complete a variety of tasks around the home. In addition, this hammer tool comes with a solid nylon pouch to cover its blade and a lifetime warranty to guarantee its longevity. What customers are saying? Positive reviews noted that this stainless steel multi-tool was durable and versatile. Many said that they used it for hiking and everyday projects. Negative reviews said that the tools were small and that the hatchet blade was dull. What we like about it? 14 tools. Hammer and hatchet head. Multiple colors. Protective cover. Lifetime warranty. Number 2. DeZUCHS 18-in-1 Snowflake Multi-Tool. This DeZUCHS multi-tool is shaped like a snowflake with a unique tool on each of its 8 ends. It also features tools between each end, giving it a total of 18 tool functions that are suitable for daily use. What customers are saying? Happy customers said that they were pleased with the high-quality material that this multi-tool was made of. However, some customers complained that this multi-tool was heavy and bulky, making it difficult to use. Negative reviews also criticized this multi-tool for not having markings on the tools to indicate their size. What we like about it? 18 tools. Snowflake shape. 1 year after sale customer service. Number 3. Rack Multi-Tool. This multi-tool is shaped like a pen, giving it a slim design that doesn't take up much space in your backpack. It features unique tools that the other options in this review don't, such as an LED light and a bubble level. What customers are saying? Satisfied customers said that the flashlight function was one of their favorite parts of this pen multi-tool. In addition, many reviewers noted that it was sturdier than other pen multi-tools that they had used in the past. Unsatisfied customers criticized this pen multi-tool for not having universal ink refills. After they used the 2 included refills, they couldn't use the pen again. What we like about it? 8 tools. Pen shape. 2 ink refills. Number 4. Gerber Gear Truss Multi-Tool. This multi-tool from Gerber Gear contains 19 tools, allowing you to perform more tasks than the other products in this review. The Gerber Gear Truss multi-tool is also spring-loaded, which minimizes how tired your hands feel after using it. What customers are saying? Positive reviews noted that this multi-tool was ergonomic and versatile. Several customers also pointed out that this tool was small enough to carry with them at all times. Negative reviews stated that the blades were smaller than anticipated and that the design was blocky. What we like about it? 19 tools. Pliers head. Protective cover. Lifetime warranty. Number 5. Leatherman Skeletool Lightweight Multi-Tool. This multi-tool is available in multiple colors and with or without a carrying pouch, allowing you to choose a product that's both functional and stylish. On top of this, the Leatherman Skeletool Lightweight Multi-Tool only requires one hand to open. What customers are saying? Many customers noted that this multi-tool was lightweight and versatile. Reviewers also stated that the lock feature was useful for keeping the tool closed during transportation. However, dissatisfied customers didn't like that this multi-tool was stiff and that it didn't have a straight blade. What we like about it? 7 tools. Pliers head. Multiple colors. Protective cover. 25-year warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.